Hello everyone! I know it's been a long time, but recently it's come to my attention that fans of the Twilight series are very mad film critics for their opinions of the second movie, New Moon. Let's see how bad it's gotten. Say hello to my commentary and disapproval! Oh, I almost forgot. The link to all of these comments is on the right, for you to read at your pleasure. Amanda T22 writes, "Do you guys realize that only men are commenting negatively on this? What about the females' critical perspective? Though yeah, a good movie, maybe, should appeal to both genders. I haven't watched the movie yet, though. For the record, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you RottenTomatoes.com, where men give this movie good reviews, and women give it bad reviews. What more can I say about this?" Tina writes, "None of them have even read the books. They have no idea what they are talking about." Now, Tina, seeing as how you're a Twilight fan, I have to explain this slowly. These people, they give their reviews and opinions on movies. They have nothing to do with books at all. Unfortunately, I did read New Moon. I hated its plot because it stunk. I mean, seriously, who wants to watch 2 hours of some girl being an apathetic, emotionless zombie after being dumped by her abusive boyfriend? And in case the good people at Summon Entertainment are listening to this, leave the zombies to me. They are my speciality, not yours, mine. Caitlin Morrill writes, "The critics probably aren't hardcore fans like the rest of us, and are looking at it from the cynical, snobby standpoint of someone trying to make the papers. If the movie was reviewed by fans, especially from this site, the reviews would be the best in history. I saw it last night too at midnight in Maryland, and these reviews are horse poop. As much as I hate bursting your bubble, Caitlin, I don't think even the most hardcore of fans was that dumb to watch a movie in the movie theater over and over and over again. What is wrong with you people that you can't wait until it comes out on DVD?" Denise writes, "It is obvious that these critics have never read the book. It is difficult for non-twihards to understand. Read the book. He followed it perfectly. You can only dive so deep on some of the subject matter and fit it into a 2-hour movie. Why don't they get it? Because they don't get the fundamental gist of the story. Eternal love and the strife to attain it. I rated a B+. Okay, Denise, 3 things. Number 1, New Moon is not that deep. Number 2, the conflict's just instantly resolved as soon as they're united. There's no strife, no nothing. And thirdly, the real fundamental gist of the story is that poor communication causes more problems than necessary for everyone." Brittany Cullen. Oh, I already have a bad feeling about this one. Anyway, Brittany Cullen writes, "All I got to say about this is that they have no an idea of what they are talking about. If not a fan, then don't watch the second movie, dumbasses. Don't criticize our movie. Random yelling for emphasis, mother booyah. Okay, that's it. I am done with these idiots. I'm out of here. Goodbye."